Hello everyone, Keycaps here, back at it again for another video for you guys. This is a continuation of the linear Frankenswitch series, where we cover Gat Inks, Gat Milky Yellows, Cherry MX Blacks, Alpacas, and NK Creams. In each video, I will use one switch as a base, then swapping parts one at a time from the other four to see how it affects sound and feel. In addition to the 5 linear switches, I'll also record and compare unwipe stem swaps. Chapter 4 will be on alpacas, so I have 2 diagrams here, and I'll use them to demonstrate the Frankenswitch process. On the left will be the switch that we're focusing on today, and on the right will be the other 4 linear switches. The first recordings will be stock and lubed, then I'll be swapping stems with the other 4 switches. Last, I'll be swapping both top housing and stem from the other 4 switches. In addition, I'll also be recording unwipe stem swaps as well. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you want to see the channel grow, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.